If you have a business and you are manually copy paste your words, so actually you are wasting a lot of time. So in this video I will show you how to make your fast automation in the make.com. So let's start it. After signing up into a make.com, you can see here this is the dashboard of make.com. So here you can see there is a lot of options like a scenario, AI agents, credential, webhook, and many more things here you can see. So we are not focusing on any of these. We are focusing only on necessity thing here. So you can see here, this is a blue option like a create a scenario. This is the most important option here. Just click on it. After that, you can see here, this is option like a blue plus option. It means like this one is a trigger. Every automation have a trigger. Trigger means how do you want to start a work. Basically, we are connecting here a Gmail module and a Google Sheet with each other. So basically, like my trigger is a watch email. I want to watch the emails and then create a lead into our Google Sheet. Here I'm clicking on it. And after clicking, you can see here, I am searching. There's a lot of app in make.com you can use as well. So if basically we are using a Gmail here, I'm searching here. Just click on it. And after clicking, you can see here, there's a many options like send an email, reply to an email, search email as well, and get an email as well. And we are using a watch an email. And here is a bonus tip how to identify the trigger in your like app. Here you can see this is the blue option. It means this is the triggers, and you can see here there is a no blue option here. So it means this is a function. So basically click on it, and after clicking, you can see here, I already connected my Gmail with make.com. So if you don't know how to connect, I already make a video onto it. Connecting. So we are setting up this Gmail module fully. So we are setting up our Gmail module like how I want to get the data from my Gmail. So here there are two options like a simple filter here and Gmail filter. We are using a simple filter because we always use this one. Here you can see here the option like a folder, and in folder there's many options like all email, chat, draft, importance, and many more as well. So I want to get a data from inbox, so we are choosing here inbox as well. In label, if you have a label in your Gmail, you can choose a label from this as well. Because I have no labels, I am just skipping it. And a criteria. In criteria, you can see here, this is the two options like only read message and only unread message. I am choosing here only unread message. And here you can see an option like mark email when make.com fetch it. So always choose here like yes. Because we are choosing here only unread message, when it fetch it will mark like a read. Here limit I am choosing here like 5 and save it. And now it is asking me to how where I want to start it. I am choosing a manually here. After setting up all the things, just click on this button like run once here, and you can see here my automation is running, and you can see all the data came into make.com. Like you can see here, this is the output option like make.com get from our Gmail module. So now our data came into our make.com. All the Gmail modules now came into our make.com. So it is the easy process. So after that, I want to create into our Google Sheet here. Where you can see here, this is the option like plus option. That click on it, and after clicking, you can search here like Google Sheet here. And after that, you can see here there are many more functions here you can perform into our Google Sheet. So add a row, update a row, and many more things here. So we are basically creating a new lead from Gmail, and this we are creating add a row here. So it will asking me to create a connection. It's a simple process. Just click on it and sign in with your Google account. After connecting Google Sheet with make.com, you can see here this is the setting of our Google Sheet. So here is the option like a search method, and there's a search from all as well, search manually as well. We are searching by path, and I am searching from my drive, and spreadsheet name here you can search the sheet name from this. So I have a lead, this one you can see here, this is my Google Sheet name, email lead, and it will show here. I'm clicking on it, and And after clicking, it will like ask me to sheet number here, and you can see here this is asking for this sheet number. And after selecting a sheet name here and table contain header, I always choose the gas field. And after that, you can see here this is all options like name, email, date, message, showing into our make.com. So I'm mapping here like a name and email section. I am mapping here, you can see here from emails, and date section like here you can see a date option. In message section I am mapping here, so I am saving it. So it is just a beginner video, so we'll cover all of these things like how to map, etc, everything in our next video. So just save on it, and I am using existing data, just you can see here. I click on it and run once here, and now you can see my data is running again, and now it's creating into our Google Sheet account. You can see here all the data came into our Google Sheet. Like this is our email body, and so you can see here you build your fast automation in make.com. So I will cover all the remaining topic like how to use a router, filters, everything which we use in make.com in my next videos as well. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.